You can't read it, but it's the option list on my 84 California sub. Glow plugs, click click. Got one crappy battery from California and one Wally World battery. So let's see if she starts. Not plugged in. It's 10 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 degrees. It's freaking cold. It was snowing yesterday. We had a little sprinkle of snow, a splash of snow. And that one was plugged in, but let's see what happens with this baby. I don't know. Pretty cold! Oh yeah, sure. I don't hear the relay clicking for the glow plugs. No glow plugs. Something's wrong. Got the glow plug relay right there. I don't have any gloves on. How do you like that? Right there. Nope, we got a problem here. The light was working. Nope, she ain't gonna start. Turn the key off. We'll go check the plow truck. And the plow truck we know is not gonna start. I just bought some new sparky plugs. This thing was running yesterday. Driving it through the salt, that's why these things rot, because that's road salt. Lots of road salt, but not this thing, because it doesn't budge. It's dead. Let's see if we can crank her up. Roll down my nice and freshly greased window. Nice fresh battery. Same thing as yesterday. Nope, just soaking the plugs. I bought some new ones. We'll go fix it. See you later.